I'm your friend MG from my channel Server Guruji. Today will I tell you what is FSMO, or we can say that Operation Master. It is a very important part of the Active Directory. FSMO we can call it flexible single master operation roles. Whole Active Directory's information, work, entire things of Active Directory are depend on FSMO. How Active Directory will work, how will provide the authentication, all the things are depend on FSMO. FSMO have 5 roles which are divided into 2 categories: forest wise and domain naming wise. Forest wise have 2 roles which are schema master and domain name master. If I talk about our domain name wise roles, so we have 3 inside this one. First one is a RID master, next one is a PDC emulator, and last one is a infrastructure master. If we talk about what is a schema master, so schema master is responsible when we are going to modify any attributes in Active Directory. That time schema master is very important. If we are going to modify that time, if the schema master will available, then we can modify, else we cannot modify the data if our schema master goes down. Next, talk about the domain name master. This is responsible to when we are going to create a new domain controller inside the forest. Domain name master will verify the domain name that this name is already existing or not. If this name is already is not used, then we can make another domain controller that name which are going to create. Next one is a RID master. Each and every object in Active Directory have a SID, security identity. RID provide a SID to every object. If RID goes down, then what will be the impact? Nothing will be the impact, because before goes down the RID, it provide a number of limit to the domain controller that if I am not available, then you can use this number of limit, but there is a number of limitations. Next, talk about the PDC emulator. If someone asks about the which one is the very important, you will tell that PDC emulator is very important roles inside the out of 5, because it provide authentication to our domain users on domain machines. Also, it synchronize time between client to domain controller. Last one is infrastructure master. Infrastructure master role is provide a reference. Domain is reference from another object to another one, so with help of GUID, SID, and DNS. If you want to see how we can see the where domains roles are located, so just log in your domain controller and open the command prompt and type the netdom space query if space FSMO. You will find the domain controller that where they are located. This is my domain controller. I'm going to run the command netdom query space FSMO, and you will see the roles that where are located, these 5 roles. We can transfer or seize the roles. I will show you in the next video that how we can transfer or seize the roles. So you can see there is 5 schema of domain name master on root server, a PDC root server, infrastructure root server, infrastructure root server, and schema master on root server. You can see all the roles are in on the same server. We can transfer 2 or 3 roles into another server. If we have a ADC server, we can do that. Also, if we are going to maintain our main domain controller, then we can transfer. After that, once our server will come back on main domain controller, we can transfer, revert back into the same. If you want to see the manual these roles, so just open the Active Directory and right click on the Active Directory and go on the properties. You will see, no, just right click on Active Directory and you will see the operation master. Just click on it and you will see RID, infrastructure, and PDC emulator, and it will show the name where the server is roles are located. That's it. Today's video is enough. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.